ELEV electronic lock, extremely versatile, designed for modern doors. Introducing Lockton ELEV36, the smart Euro mortise lock for modern security. Designed for hinged and sliding applications, versatile by design. 6 ways to unlock: fingerprint, PIN, RFID, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or key. Manage access anytime, anywhere with the TT Lock app. Double point locking. Auto latch on close, deadbolt by lifting the lever. Built tough. IP66 weather rating on the external handle. Retrofits existing Euro mortise locks for a clean, modern upgrade. Lockton E-Series offers a complete range of smart Euro mortise locks for hinged and sliding doors. Multiple strike and faceplate options guarantee retrofit compatibility. Everything you need included: hardware, cylinder, keys and fobs, batteries, instructions and templates. Configure knobs both sides or knob and lever. Ideal for architectural push-pull doors. Choose your style: matte black or silver to suit any space. Lockton ELEV36 electronic lock, extremely versatile. Visit LocktonSecurity.com.